How you doing? This is Michael Savoy, and you're on Blogging with Michael Live. This is the podcast where I do some video stuff and some audio at the same time. And today we're going to talk about WordPress membership sites, and I'm also going to talk about Instant Video Templates version 2. And as you know, I think it was a month ago, it was right around May 13th or so is when the launch for Instant Video Templates 1 came out, and it's a nice little package of, well, it's not that little, it's got a lot of stuff on there. It's got audios, video, animations, and you can use PowerPoint to create your animated videos, and it works really well. Plus, you can use it in Video Maker FX and Easy Sketch Pro, which is nice too. I'm going to take a little shot of Kickstart here. I really need to get a sponsorship from them. You know what I mean? Now, I do have a sponsorship from Pure Leverage, and if you go to leadgentoolbox.com, that one, you can help me get paid for doing this show. All right. Enough advertising stuff. Let me go and, first of all, I have to find my login information because I just purchased the MemberSonic, and Yvonne just purchased the Instant Video Templates. So we are going to be loading that stuff up and getting started on it. And I haven't even said anything on this on the social media about the show or anything. Let me do a quick edit here. And okay, just gotta paste that into the show page there, and I'm going to save it. Bam. Okay, so that's done. Now let me do a quick promotion. I'll send it to Facebook and Twitter, and I might as well send it to the wonderful people at Blog Talk Radio as well. Okay, so now that I've sent all that information out, and I'm going to say something else too. I'm podcasting, video podcasting. And then I'm going to give a link to the show page, which is this one. I'm going to put that here. It's a little long. I think I need to shorten that up just a tad. Luckily, I'm using Better Links, which is an awesome link shortener. If I knew what my affiliate link was for that, I would give that to you, but since I cannot remember what it is at the moment, it's either a Link Dynamite link or a WSO Insiders link or a WP plugin guide link, but Better Links, because it is an awesome program. Okay, and this is going to be the show page. And it's let's see, the June 24th, 14 show page, which is video and membership. Spell it right? No. I'm just going to do that. Okay. And save link. Copy link. and then we shall put that into the that's much better. Okay, and then I'm going to submit that to Twitter and Facebook as well. Okay. All right, so I've managed to blow 9 minutes with technical difficulties, and I really apologize for that. But at the same time, this is all stuff that you can learn to do as well. Okay, and in fact, I should have been showing this stuff to you on the podcast, except for the fact that it shows my host pin on there, and I don't really want that shown on national television. So, okay, what I was going to do is go to Facebook and get the login information that I sent. I send myself a message, and I send Yvonne the same message so that we can access our product, and that way I can actually get on, and that way I don't have to be at my computer. I can be on my desktop, my laptop, even on my tablet. Okay, so probably the best thing for me to start off with is going to be MemberSonic, because I don't know how long it's going to take to set up. So best bet is to just get over there and do it now. So I'm going to log in and download that first. And find the password. Okay. I'm in there. So I guess now that I'm here, I can go ahead and share the screen, because it's not showing anything that I really need to worry about, and that way you can see what we're doing, because all this time you've just been looking at me and all right, so where are we at? Members area. There we go. Okay, so this is the MemberSonic members area, and I went ahead and got the upgrade with the Sonic Dashboard Pro and the MemberSonic theme. But right now, what I need to do is get the MemberSonic Pro plugin and download it. Google Drive. It's always better if I save it to my Google Drive, because that way I can get to it a lot easier from any computer that I'm at. Okay, there's my MemberSonic. Copy this, and then go back to the members area. Okay, so now I need to go into one of my blogs, which currently I don't have open. Let's see. Okay, so I need to go locate it, make sure it's actually open, or that I've created a blog there, because I may not have. So let me go to my web host manager, log in, list my accounts. And let's see, is it dailytradingnow.com? what I need to do is create a blog there. So I'm going to head over to my cPanel, and I've been really liking Softaculous. It's a great way to install a WordPress blog, and just going to click on install. Daily Trading Now. Don't want to put it in a directory. I want it on the main domain, and give do some stuff on here just real quick. Daily Trading Now. Training for daily traders. Okay, and I'm not going to make this a multi-user. I'm going to put in my username and password. Remember, do not use admin for your username. And you can use different email addresses or whatever you want for, I mean, definitely use a strong password. Okay, so now I'm also going to select a new plugin that says limit login attempts. This will help you a lot. Limit login attempts will send you, well, it will actually shut down the blog for a little while where nobody can log into it until a certain amount of time has passed. This will stop any of those robots from trying to get on your blog. And I'm going to go ahead and click install. And once I'm done with that, we should be in good shape. All right, I've already got a blog set. Okay, let me go ahead and open that up over here, and you should be able to see it now. My apologies that it took a little bit of time, but there we go. We're here, and this looks like this is the 2014 theme. What I'm going to do is go to the WP admin so we can log in. Interesting, it already remembers. See how it said 3 attempts remaining? It's because it will continue to block you until, you know, if you try too many times, it'll block you for a certain amount of time, and then, okay. First thing is I'm going to trash this comment from Mr. WordPress, and I'm going to trash my first blog post, which is Hello World. Okay, so now all our posts are gone, and I'm going to, I should have left the post on but that's okay. The first thing we want to do is install our plugin. Okay, and we're going to upload MemberSonic, and of course, go back to our Google Drive, find our WordPress plugins. MemberSonic is right here. And we'll click install now. And there it is. I'm going to activate it. I'm also going to activate Akismet because it's a good idea to keep your Akismet running, and it really does limit your comment spam. All right, so now I want to go to the MemberSonic dashboard. Enter the key, and okay, it wants my name, and my email address, which should help. Okay, so now there we are in like Flint, and now we've got default redirect pages that we want to set up, and we also want to set up our PayPal. So we can get paid. And then if you have a logo for your checkout page, you can add that here. And if there's a redirect, you can, you know, if your payment fails, you set up a redirect for it. You can actually have it create one for you. There. And we want US dollars for our currency. And then you're going to have to set up your PayPal IPN URL. Right now, this is not the right one. I'm not going to do it on screen because that's something that's important. You know, otherwise people can get in without without paying you. So, all right. Then you're going to need your admin email address, admin display name, and the sign-up notifications, whether or not you want them sent to you. I like to get them because, you know, that way you can see that stuff is happening. And that way, too, you can tell when it slows down, then it's time to, you know, do another promo. So those kind of things are good. Now, the membership levels, this is the part that you want to, you know, have planned out ahead of time, okay? Because you can have a membership that's the basic membership, and then have them create us a page, and then the after login page, I'll just have to create one for me, so now I've got an after login page as well. Okay, and I'm going to click next, and then you can have the drip feed for your content, and you can actually do actual dates or how much time goes in between. So you can do a, you know, you can have it so that every 30 days you get new content, or every 7 days, or every 14 days. It's up to you how to do it. Or if you set something up for a specific launch, where only people, you know, people can only get in at a specific date, then you can set that up so that that is when it's going to happen. So that the content comes out on those particular dates. But best is you have it so that, you know, every so many days after the time that a person signs up, they get their content. And right now all we have is a sample page. Once we create our pages, you would select whether or not the page is protected or not. And then if you put posts up there, then you would want each post to be protected and when it would come available. All right, so I'm going to click on Save and Launch because right now I just want to save the settings. And of course, I'm going to be updating it. So, I mean, it's telling us that the after login page shouldn't be empty. So I'm going to have it create these for me. Now we've got all of those, and again, we've done these. Interesting that it seems to have forgotten. I'm guessing it's going to be USD. Next. 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 And let's see, we've got more pages in here now. Still going to click Save and Launch. And it says membership level should not be empty. So, you know, we'll get, I'll do these later at a later time, but I just wanted to show you basically what all you have here. Now there's general settings, PayPal integration. If you want to use ClickBank, Digi Results, JVZoo, if you have a secret key for JVZoo, go ahead and use it. You have a WSO Pro PayPal ID, put that there. A Zaxoc secret key, and a Deal Guardian secret key. So basically, you could set it up so you can take payments from many different sources and make it all work exactly the way you want it to. It's got Amazon S3 linking, so like this daily trading is going to be you know, videos that are on my S3. So this would be perfect for me to be able to set it up so that I can have my videos all on the S3 server. And then there's user control. You can have a limit to the number of logins per day. And you can put how many hours you want to lock them out. Mailer options. I like this because you can actually send emails to all your new signups, and you can automatically have your Aweber, MailChimp, or SendReach connected to this, and then what you do is you get your authorization token from Aweber, just copy it, paste it, and you save it. And now it's saved right in there. And the good part with that is now I've got my Aweber set up. All I got to do now is create an account for the Daily Trading Now site, and then that way I can sell them on some additional products. And you can even generate an API key so that you can work with other blogs that have the MemberSonic control, so that if you buy a membership at one place, you can actually get access to other sites as well. And it's pretty cool. So again, I didn't want to get too involved to where you don't know what, you know, what's going on, and it could get a little hairy. But as you can see, the content protection, it shows what pages and posts you have. Shows you the mail broadcast page, so that if you want to send to all your, select all the membership levels, and then if you have individual membership levels on here, you can just select like all the basic members and then send it to them. And then the member management, which will show you all the different members. And then you can select a membership and be able to choose just the basic members. And it'll you can even resend the welcome email. As you can see, there's a lot here. And since we've got the the Member Sonic theme now. Let's go see that. I'm going to upload it, because right now we're using 2014. But I'm going to add, I don't think I downloaded it yet. So why don't I do that? Member Sonic theme. The Genesis 2.0 framework within the WordPress themes. And Member Sonic theme version 2.01. I'm going to download those. And then there's a bonus to the Member Sonic theme. You can actually get the dashboard plugin, which is pretty neat. I'm going to download that and put it in my WordPress plugins folder while I'm there. Okay. Save. Alright. So now, let me go to the Add Themes. We're going to click on Upload and then choose the file. Now, we have to have the Genesis theme in there. Install it. Return. I'm going to add new. I'm going to upload. That's the Member Sonic theme 2.01. But since it relies on the Genesis theme, that's why you have to make sure that it's installed before. So now I'm just waiting for it to upload. Okay, now that one I'm going to activate. Okay. So I'm going to open it in a new window. I want to see. Okay, so right now we don't have any posts. And as you can see, it's pretty plain. But the beauty of this is that you can tailor it to exactly what you need it to do. And that's probably beyond what we want to do, but I can go ahead and update the Genesis theme. And hopefully that will not destroy anything. Okay, so we're going to go back to our themes. And you can have it so that it'll automatically update. And then you can, this is pretty cool that you can have your own custom feeds and set up exactly the layout that you want for your site. This is going to be mostly video. I may just want to go with this, the full width. And then I want breadcrumbs, help people find their way back. I'm going to do it for posts and pages and the home page. Then we want to enable comments on posts. Actually, in this case, we're not really going to be interested in it because it's a membership site. So, and it's all going to be content that we want our members to consume, but not necessarily comment on. And we'll do post excerpts. Include the featured image. I'll just do a medium size for that. Okay. And then you can also put your header and footer scripts you want. Right now I'm going to leave those blank. I'm going to save. Go to the Embersonic section. You can make yourself a gradient. Your gradient. And then choose your colors. Okay, let's save that change. And we can click on Visit Site. Nothing there yet. Our background color. Let's try black. Still not seeing anything different yet. And then you can add a header, create your menus, make what your body will look like. And again, this is very detail oriented, but it gives you a lot more control. And I do recommend that you read over the manual for this so that you don't, spend a lot of time kind of like what I'm doing right now, which is just kind of playing with it. But I will definitely give you in a future show the link to come and look at this site. Okay. But for now, this is we're going to leave this and go to the next section of the show, which is where we're going to do the instant video templates version 2. And first I got to go log in and get that squared away so that I can get there. And had been there earlier, but I didn't download it. Okay, that's what I want to do, is download the instant video templates. Okay, and where are they? I see news and updates. Take the tour. Yes. Okay, my apologies. Process of downloading. Okay, so I guess I should show you this page. It's actually pretty involved here. Okay. See, we've got some new things here. We've got auto mechanic, bakery, crisp and clean VSL. That's a video sales letter. Then you've got the cleaning services, internet marketing, cameos, massage, military, public service, the striker video sales letter, transportation, vacation, veterinarian. Okay. Well, let's download video sales letters. And what we'll do is I'm going to put that in downloads, and I have an instant video templates here, and I'm going to save the striker, and then I'm going to open that baby up so that we can see it. I'm going to extract, and I'm going to call that the striker VSL. Okay, and it's extracting. So now I can open it up and we can look at it. Now what I'm probably going to end up having to do is open up one of a couple different programs that we could be using for this. Let's go into instant video templates, the striker, and then it's got a PowerPoint template. Actually, it has actually the whole presentation saved in PowerPoint. Let me scoot over to the let's change the screen share. Okay, and we're going to go into PowerPoint so you can see it. And there's going to be some fonts that don't match, and that's quite all right. What you have to do is you have to download those particular fonts, and they give you a list of them in this on the site. So let me get PowerPoint opened up here. And actually, that was the wrong screen here. Hold on. To a different screen. Let's go to screen share, and where is Mr. PowerPoint? There it is. It just didn't have any pictures. Okay, so this is the presentation, and this font is not the font that comes with it. But it just defaulted to this one. But let's do a slideshow of it because I would like to see what it came with. Okay, so first of all, we'll want to do for setup slideshows, I want it in a smaller window. So browse by individual, click OK, and now we'll start from the beginning. Actually, the font is too big is what the problem is. And if I had the actual font that we needed to have, that would not be a problem. And then you have the main headline. And then I like how it shows you where the pre-headline is and where the main headline is, so that way you know what you're going to be talking about. Increase sales and conversion in any business. Sell more of your products. That's pretty cool there. Big bold claim goes here. And then all of the bullets. And these, I have to actually hit the button in order for it to come up. Wow, Captain America. testimonials. And that was it. So overall, that's pretty decent slideshow. And all you'd have to do then is make your changes so that you have what you want it to be saying. And you can change out the graphics. None of this is set in stone, so you can basically, what I do is I copy the presentation. What I'll do is just save as, go to File, Save As, and then give it a different name. In fact, I usually keep it in my Documents folder. And I'll say the Striker VSL starting point. And then as from that point, then I'll make changes to it, and then I'll rename it again to whatever it is I'm working on. But the first thing is, you want to have the right font to start with. Now, I can actually tell you what font that is supposed to be. Maybe not. Now, it does come in Keynote and PowerPoint formats, and I like that it comes with the background music as well. Now, hold on. I'm going to open this and then pause it. Now, let me share this with you. We'll see how well it does here. When you share the Windows Media Player, and then I'm going to click play. And this is, see that this is the font that they're using. This is the MP4 of that particular presentation. And let's see how long does it last. Let's see. Let's speed it up a little bit here. Find some new spots. And the funny part about this is a lot of this stuff is very, this would be an expensive thing if it was just by itself. But because you're getting it all in one package, this instant video templates is actually really inexpensive. It's on a dime sale too, so if you hurry, you can get it at a really good price. And I'm sure, well, it's there on the blog post. It's at wsoinsiders.com/video templates 2 with the numeral 2. And you can snatch that up and get it while it's at a really low price. In fact, I'm going to head over to that, and I'll share that page with you. Hold on here. Let me stop the screen share.
Hey there, Peter Beatty here with VideoRevolver.com.
Got a video
in this video, I'm going to show you just how easy it can be for you to create animated marketing videos to get you more leads.
Okay, but it's currently at $9.99, and It goes up with, I'm not sure how many sales, but they have some of the videos here to show what some of these templates are like. This is the crisp and clean one. They've got it watermarked. So as you can see, that's the crisp and clean. Then there's internet marketer cameos, vacation and travel, auto repair and towing, cleaning services, massage and spa. Don't know that we want to show this on public public video here. Veterinarian and pets, going there later today. Let's see what this. Let's see, it's got the animated characters plus all of these little goodies that you can use. I like that they only made it an 18-second thing to show you what all the objects are and what everything is. Basically, you can take the template and do whatever you want with it. Got one for transportation, which looks pretty cool. We got a bus. What other vehicles do we have? A taxi cab, limo, a ferry boat, train, a couple different types of buses, a few different kinds of cars, motorcycle. The only thing they didn't have was a plane, but still, it's not bad. And they got the bakery and deli. See what all kinds of goodies they've got in the bakery. Yeah, 5 different characters plus all those pastries and things. It's pretty cool. So, and the thing about this is you can mix and match them. So it's not something, that you're stuck with one style. You can do a lot of different things with these. But I think it's pretty nice that you can do so many different things with these. And it'll work with Video Maker FX, which is one of the things that I'm pretty happy about. And same with the Easy Sketch Pro, because you can actually have one of these characters as one of the objects that you scan or draw on there. You get 12 animated video templates, 100 video graphic elements, and you can also work using it works with PowerPoint, Keynote, and with Impress from OpenOffice. So that is also a pretty good thing. And then, of course, it'll work with Video Maker FX. They don't mention Easy Sketch Pro, but I have a feeling they will work. Let me take a look at what the objects are. Looks like they're all within the actual PowerPoint, so you don't really have access to them. Yeah, so you would have to save them outside of the actual PowerPoint, which should have kept the PowerPoint open since I was looking at that. but the money save as picture. So yeah, I can save it by right-clicking on it, and it saves as a PNG. So what I can do, recent places, PowerPoint, and then I'll give it a name of stack O cash, and now I have that stack of money is now usable in my Easy Sketch Pro. All right, let me open that up, and I want to test it to see. PNG should work. The good thing with PNG is it also has the transparency, so you can use different color shadow backgrounds with it. All right, let me share this real quick with you. And let's go to Easy Sketch Pro. All right, as you can see, this is a blank template. I'm going to go to Images. Oh, and they've just updated it too to 1.08. So there's new images. This is definitely a good time to snatch this up. All right, I'm going to load image from the PC. We're using the picture importer and clicking on the folder. And what we want is go up a couple levels here. Go to Google Drive. No, it wasn't in Google Drive. Keep going up. Okay, and go to Downloads. It's under Instant Video Templates. Striker. Downloads. PowerPoint. And there's our stack O cache. We're going to open it. And that's what it looks like in the drawing stage. It actually looks good just the way it is. I'll click Done. And there's our stack of cache. Okay. So now if I show the hand drawing it, there we go. We have our stack of money. Now it doesn't do good with the shadow, but so what you might want to do is remove the shadow. If you're good with Photoshop, you could do that. If you're not good with Photoshop, then it may not work. But it's still usable. But overall, normally this shadow would show up a little better. But we could do a lot of these kind of things with different images, bring them in, including some of the ones that like the characters, because those are the ones that are more useful anyway. There's all them little characters like this Captain America guy. I'll call him Cappy.
90 seconds.
No. Okay. So, what I would do is click here. Let's go do this real fast, and then it's Cappy that we want to bring in. See, there's our Captain America figure, and I'm going to click Done, and there he is. And then we can double-click him and move him somewhere else. And then I'm going to request focus. Okay. And then we'll watch. All right, there's the cache.
60 seconds.
And then now they're drawing Captain America. So it came out pretty good. So, as you can see, you can use the images in Easy Sketch Pro without a problem. And everything is usable also in Video Maker FX. And it's a lot easier to use it in Video Maker FX. Alright, so I'm going to close that, and I'm not going to save the images. So now you're back to me again. And since it's almost over, I'm going to say thanks a lot, and definitely go to the show page, and let me show you real quick where that is. As soon as I find it.
10 seconds.
No! Actually, I don't have it open anywhere. Well, it's on bloggingwithmichael.com/blog. All right, so thank you for watching and listening, and we'll see you next week on Blogging with Michael.